A very good morning to you all from this incredible brand new Tui Blue Hotel, which we've discovered in the heart of Canggu, in the middle of everywhere, even though it's so peaceful. Listen. You hear nothing. And it's in Canggu is obviously the heart of Bali, really. So I'm going to show you around. It's very early in the morning, as it always is when I film these hotel tours. It's so gorgeous, and if you get in now and book it quickly, you will find that the prices are really good, because generally there's not very many TripAdvisor reviews. So until they build up, then it's definitely going to get more expensive. We paid about £35 each per night for bed and breakfast, and I hear the breakfast is exquisite. I will be filming that as well. So let's go on a walk around tour of this hotel and I'll tell you all the details. So we're starting from leaving the room, which has got this gorgeous big oak door, as you see. And as I look to my right, we'll go walking down there actually. There's the most stunning view. As you look out, you can see the villas. Now the villas, I can't show you on this video because they are occupied and some of them are still being made. But look at this gorgeous sunrise this morning. Absolutely beautiful. But these down here are the villas, and they are absolutely incredible. So they have their own private swimming pools, and they're huge, absolutely huge. So there's a little bit more work going on down there, which I'm thinking might be even more villas. I would definitely come and stay in one of those. They're outstanding. So yep, so that's Canggu. So let's go back down this corridor. Look how pretty the lights are as you walk through. Now we think this has definitely been very much interior designed because it's so gorgeous. So coming towards the end of the corridor where our rooms are, we're met with this incredible space. Now look at the details that there are here to see around. Look, there's this lovely massive vase and some tapestry on the wall, which is gorgeous. And then this is the lift area, more big, amazing sort of old tree bark kind of carving. This table and chairs, really, really eclectic. Now I've got to talk to you about the smell in this hotel. It smells like Hollister. Do you remember Hollister has that smell? Yeah, it smells just like that. So as we come through here, just before we're going to go down the lift, because obviously this is where all the rooms are, and there's more rooms as you go up as well. And then as you come down, there's this atrium area. Now down there, that seating area you can see in front is just where you can, it looks like you could even use it as a co-working space, which is amazing. And to my left down there is the reception area. So I am going to take the lift just so you can see what the lift looks like, because it's really gorgeous. There's me, hello. And these are those are the buttons that tell you, it tells you exactly where you need to go. So there is the top area we can't go to. There's a swimming pool, restaurant, gym. I'll go to those in a minute, but I'm just going to show you the quick lobby bit first. Is this the lobby? Yes, it is. So we come out of here. Again, more really lovely seating areas to see. Looks super stunning. There's not much really to see on this level. This is where you'll come and check in and get your welcome drink. So that's the area that we just saw from upstairs, in case you didn't quite get to see it. Oh, there's RR chocolate over there. I need to insert some footage there somehow, because that was stunning last night as I had a look in there. So yeah, amazing, like coffee shop with all these incredible chocolates. Like, you need to just come and look at them. They're insane. So they're 25k each, which is about £1. Oh my god, look at that with the feather. And it's called triples. So this is what it's called. It's the Tui Blue Berawa, which is the location district in Canggu, where we are right now. Gorgeous seating area, just somewhere you can chill out really nicely. And then that's, as you arrive, that's the area that you'll come into. Obviously, bellboys take your cases. There'll be someone here ready to make you a nice welcome drink. We had a ginger drink, which was really, really lovely. More seating areas that goes back further there. Okay, and there's loads of fish, which they're probably going to come up for food, but it's not me. I'm not the right person. Yeah, look at that. They're so nosy. So yeah, definitely not me. Okay, so looking back at the hotel, you can see how beautiful it is from the outside. All these plants on the outside, and they are all real. Isn't that gorgeous? So that gives you a gauge of the size of the hotel. There's plenty of rooms there. And over here, like I say again, these are the villas. I'm not sure they're completely done yet, so I think that could be why I wasn't able to get in there and film. But anyway, we're going to go up to this area, which is called Nature Avenue. Now, interestingly, it's somewhere that you can come and you can just chill out. I don't know if it's locked at the moment, but I went in there yesterday and they put all cushions on the tables and chairs outside here. Okay, yeah, that's locked in there right now. But down here is the gardens as well. So at the end here, they're doing a kids club, and through these gardens, they use a lot of their produce from here that they'll make. And I think these might be little rice fields. Should we go and have a look? So something I learned about the rice fields from our driver, Bronzo, it's a tiny little caterpillar that I need to be careful of standing on because I've got bare feet, is that as they come up and grow like this, they you get lots of rice from it, and then you can take 1 grain of rice and plant it back in. I was fascinated to hear all of that. I can actually smell it as well. So further down here, yeah, more rice fields, which is really nice to see. I think what they've tried to do here is make sure that there's some outside space that you can come to. And all the plants growing up the walls, look. So I've really, really loved Canggu. Just while we're walking, I'll talk to you. I was a bit worried about it because you hear how busy it is and the traffic is crazy. Oh, actually, I might have to take a picture of that. It's really cute, isn't it? I was quite nervous of Canggu being super busy and worrying about it. And to the point of like, do we actually want to go there? So initially we had 5 days booked here, but decided to cancel that. And we came here for 3 nights instead and had 2 nights in Sanur, which was insanely good. So during this trip we've also been to Uluwatu and Ubud, so there's loads of videos coming. This is going to be one of the first ones up. I have totally fallen in love with Bali. Wasn't sure how I'd feel after the amazing Thailand last year, but yeah, loads to show you about Bali itself. But yeah, this place is good even if you just want to come for a night. Like, we're here for 1 night because we do actually have another accommodation somewhere else. I love seeing all of these plants. Beautiful, aren't they? All right, let's go back in. A couple of other details about this hotel is it's got an insanely good aircon and amazing Wi-Fi. So all of my stuff's gone up to the cloud, which I had 700 pieces waiting to go up to the cloud, and it's gone up overnight without me even having my phone plugged in. So that's incredible. So now we're on the 3rd floor, and we are going to go up there in a second because they're about to start some yoga classes. Just shared the lift with the yoga instructor who looked incredible. He's only got 3 mats, so he's obviously not expecting too many people up. So this is the restaurant. I will go in there in a second and show you that. In fact, let's go in there now. So I have heard amazing things about breakfast here. Very excited to check that out. Okay, I'm going to show you some food. There's not too many people here right now. First time I've looked at it. So we've got almond croissant, plain croissant. They're all labelled, as always. Tui Blue is amazing at their food labelling. This is where this whole channel started. So they've got pecan Danish, strawberry Danish, bread you cut yourself. They've probably got gluten-free that I can ask for, I would very much imagine. Pancakes, which are demonstrated here. They probably cook those to order. Sushi, which is good. It's nice to see them doing a little bit of local food. Teriyaki, potato curry, little cakes, focaccia, chocolate brownies, hard roll, soft roll, bagels, banana bread. That also has gluten, which is unusual. Little donuts. Oh, this looks nice. Some dried fruit and almonds. That's the sort of thing that I like to put on top of my yoghurt. So I'm going to guess there's a yoghurt here somewhere. Yes, there is. Oh, wow. There's so much choice. It's unbelievable. There's beetroot hummus, baba ganoush, salad things, fresh fruit, different milks. This is really, really good. Soy, oat, almond and coconut milk. Little drinks you can have. You wouldn't know what to choose, would you? Small yogurts. That's there in the pots. Even the Yakulty type of drinks, which is amazing. Hot breakfast, they've got different eggs. Morning. Tomatoes, sausages, lots of things. And some nice fresh water, infused water and juices. Oh, I've not seen that fruit before. Do you know much about that? Guava. Oh, Jazz will be pleased to see the mangosteen. Okay, this is incredible. I need to take some pictures. So we're now going to try a matcha latte.
Have you ever drink matcha before?
No.
I wanted to try it out here.
Oh, you like to mix it? We just need like 20 or 30 mils of water to whisk it down. Make sure all the powder dissolves.
So they're offering to make some Benedict egg thing in a rice flour thing this morning, and we're like, we said no because we're full up. Okay, I'm just going to go up to the swimming pool now and show you that. There's a bar area here as well, which looks like a really nice place to just chill out, get a drink, doesn't it? How gorgeous. There's towels there for you to use by the swimming pool. Lovely little areas to sit out on. Really, really gorgeous. So this is the swimming pool area. As you can see, it looks like glass right now because no one's been in it yet. So really lovely, comfy bed areas. We were going to join in with yoga because we was like, yeah, we really need the yoga in our lives because we're both struggling slightly. But we decided to do our own stretching in the gym. And instead we're going to come here and just be by the pool because it's incredible. Why would you not? You can see the sea in the background over there. Oh, can't wait to get in here. So lovely as our other places that we're staying, I'm definitely not going to want to leave here today. I wonder if it might be worth me asking them, can we still use the facilities until maybe 3 o'clock or something? But yeah, this is gorgeous. Okay, so we're now walking towards the gym. Let's have a look at the toilets. Oh, lovely aircon in here. Oh, this is a nice idea. They've got lovely LED lighting behind the mirrors there, which is gorgeous. And I always like this, you know. I think that's a really nice touch. It's the way you dry your hands. We've used these products in our room. I have done another room tour as well. But yeah, stunning. And because the hotel is so new, well, you can shower here. Aha, we can definitely stay out in the pool till later, get a quick shower and then head back to our accommodation. Nice. So into the gym. Oh, no, I need my room key, which I haven't got. No, I need my room key and I haven't got it. Damn. Okay, there's an incredible gym there. There are yoga mats. There's areas there that you can... Look, there's kettlebells. Everything is brand new. Really good gym. We're definitely going to be coming here after our breakfast this morning. So yeah, that's amazing. So I think we're coming towards probably the end of the resort tour. Just showing you a few more of these collected details because it's just beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. And I would highly recommend it. The service is second to none, as it's been everywhere we've been in Bali. It's just been incredible. They think of everything. So please do feel free to ask in the down there. If you've got any questions and you think there's anything more that I can help you with. But to give you an idea, I paid £70, £72 through booking.com. Booking.com links will be below, and you can, of course, book directly through Tui if you want a package holiday. But if you're just breezing through, I would recommend you probably do that. At the moment, the prices are really good. They're probably going to stay really good for the next few months. But don't dilly-dally too much. So I will leave those links below. And like I say, happy to answer any questions if I possibly can. But this hotel is so new, it smells amazing. Even when you look at things like the lighting up there, it's just a really, really great place to come if you want familiarity. What I would say is if you're after that Bali villa type of thing, probably book one of the villas because that does look still Balinese, very much so. But this hotel is more familiar. It's more what I would know when I'm going to do some work for a hotel somewhere. And it's bloody lovely. It's really, really lovely. However, would I come and stay here without that other Bali experience? Probably I would, because they've also got that little truck they can take you around in. So it feels safe. So if you're nervous about coming to Canggu like I was, then this is your answer. So I hope that's been helpful. Don't forget, as always, give the video some love, leave a comment, share it. It's open for you to share, and I'll see you in the next one, which is going to be more explorative of the other places that we've been in Bali. I'll see you then. All right, bye.